Welcome back, everybody. As a follow-up to my video on the block planes, the Lie-Nielsen block planes, I just want to do a real quick one. I'm going to show you what the cutting iron looks like, how I sharpen it. I may be one of those odd people, but I will not put a back bevel or a secondary bevel on my block planes. They go at pure 25 degrees and they stay that way. As I use them, if they need to be touched up, I may strop them a little, but because I want to maintain the 25 degrees, I don't strop them too often. I go right back to standard sharpening. So let me show you what it looks like. So we open the hood, take the hood off, carefully lift the blade out, and there it is. I want to show you what I do. Okay? And if I were a Japanese woodworker, I would probably take that even further. That is a pure 25 degrees. That's all it is. And I take it up to my finest stone, and I keep the back flat, no secondary bevel there. And when I strop it, I may lose just a little bit of that angle and just a little bit off this end, but that's how I keep it sharp. And yes, this is not a Lie-Nielsen blade. This is a Hawk blade. And this was something that Ron Hawk and I and a few others used, and Ron would make these, and I'm not sure, I don't believe the new company is making these, Lee Valley. And this is 01 tool steel. Ron Hawk was America's premier bladesmith. He is retired now, which for all his service to us is deserved. And this could be one of the things I don't like about this plane, and that's setting up the blade. It has a tiny little knob that you got to get your fingers around, and it doesn't have lateral adjustment. Okay, and seeing how much blade you got exposed when you're looking to take really fine cuts, you need good eyes. So there you go. I wanted to show you the grind that I use. What do you think about that? The only other grind that I would consider is if you have a plain blade jig that can keep a plain blade perfectly square against a grindstone, like a Tormek grinder or even a regular bench grinder. If you can keep it square and you can take fine cuts, I would consider a hollow grind at 25 degrees or even slightly less. But I don't have that, so I use what I use. That's it. Head out to your shop. Go sharpen your block planes. Walter out.